In this video, you will learn about what are chart properties, how many chart properties, and when to modify chart properties.
This will show you how to change the chart properties. Now right here, up top, we have the basic zoom in and zoom out. Obviously, this allows you to zoom into the chart or zoom out of the chart. Now, if along with that, right next to the zoom in and zoom out, is the auto scroll. And when you keep that on, all that does is keep the most recent information up front right here. Now if you want to go back and look at, let's say, a week old information without getting pushed to the front every time there's a new tick, you just take that off and you can go all the way back as far as you want. But usually it's just best to keep that on. Now next to that is the chart shift, where if you hit it, you just you're shifting over from the chart. That's it. You go back and forth. Also, besides the chart shift, you can change the style of the bars. There's the regular bar chart, which it's on right now, the candlestick, which a lot of people prefer, and the line chart. Now, when using the candlesticks, it is possible that it looks exactly how it does now, the same as the bar chart. And the problem with that is you're just zoomed out. If you select the bar chart, all you have to do is zoom in and you can see the candles. There we go. Now, on top of that, if you want to change the time frame of the chart, right now it's at the 1 hour time frame. It's got all of these options, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and so on. If you do not see this, then all you have to do is come and click View, go to Toolbars, and hit the periodicity. And that will come up, and you can see it however you would like to. Now on top of that, there are other things you can do with the chart, such as change the colors. All you do is right click, and there are many options in here. You can change the periodicity from here, maybe a template, something where you've changed the colors and have it saved exactly how you like it. You just save it and it will be in here, and you can select that on every chart you do. Also, you can take on and off the grid. You can add volumes to it so you can see the volumes of the trading. Of course, there's the zoom in and zoom out, and down here are the properties. If you select the properties, there are many different colors that you can change. It shows it. You can change the background if you would like. Maybe go to a white or a lighter color, and you can change the foreground. You can change the colors of the bars. Anything that you want to do, you can have it in there, and you can change just about any color. Also, when you place an order, it will show whether you bought or sold, and you can change that with the ask line, and of course down here underneath it with the stop levels if you place a stop in your order. On top of that, there's common, and this is just a lot of the options that you had on the top of your platform with the chart shift and the which bar you'd like to use, and of course there's the period separator, show the volume. All of this stuff all is available in the properties, and you can go through that and hit OK, and that is how you change and play with the chart.